Salut! In this video, we are going to learn how to ask for directions in French. Assuming you are going somewhere or you traveled, okay, and you don't really know the place very well, you need to know how to ask for directions in French. All right? So let's get started.
The French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH.
TheFrenchMasterGH.com.
Learn French the easy way.
If you get to a francophone or French-speaking country you don't really know around, the first thing to do to get someone's attention is to say, excusez-moi, excusez-moi. Okay? Then the person will know that you really want to ask for something. Excusez-moi s'il vous plaît. Okay? Excusez-moi. Bonjour. Bonjour. Excusez-moi s'il vous plaît. Bonjour. Excusez-moi s'il vous plaît. Okay? So excusez-moi is very, very important. You need to be polite to people you want to ask something from. So if you are going to a particular place, let's say a restaurant, okay? Maybe the name of the restaurant is Malisanat. Malisanat restaurant. Okay? So there is a term you need to use to ask for that particular direction. So you say, excusez-moi, où se trouve le restaurant Malisanat? Où se trouve la boutique de Louis Vuitton? So, où se trouve? Où se trouve? Where is the restaurant located? Where is this place located? So, if you are going to Magasin de Dior, okay, you ask the person, où se trouve le magasin de Dior? Bonjour, excusez-moi s'il vous plaît. Où se trouve le magasin de Dior? If it's a market, excusez-moi, où se trouve le marché? Okay? Okay, another way to ask this question is to know whether the place is closer to you or too far from you. Okay? That way you say, est-ce que le marché est près d'ici? Est-ce que le marché est près d'ici? Le marché is the market. So if you are looking for the market, you can ask the person if the market is closer to you. Est-ce que le marché est près d'ici? If it's la boutique or a restaurant, est-ce que le restaurant Malisanat est près d'ici? Okay? If you want to know if it's too far from here, you can also say, est-ce que la boutique de Dior est loin d'ici? Est près d'ici or est loin d'ici? You are just saying the same thing. You are asking whether it's closer to you or too far from you. Okay? Good. So, the first thing to do is to say, bonjour, excusez-moi. Then you ask the question, où se trouve? Then you add your place. If it's le magasin de Dior, you say, où se trouve le magasin de Dior? You can also ask, est-ce que le magasin de Dior est près d'ici? Is it far from here? Ici is here. Okay. Good. Another thing you need to consider asking, okay, is, est-ce que je peux aller à pied? Est-ce que je peux aller à pied? Can I go by foot? Can I go by foot? So if you are saying, can I go by foot, meaning you are assuming it's not too far from you. If it's too far, the person will tell you, non, bon, c'est un peu loin. C'est un peu loin. Meaning you have to take a bus or a train. Est-ce que je peux aller à pied? Okay, merci beaucoup. Look for different places like 10. Okay, ask someone, ask for directions in French. Merci beaucoup. See you in the next video.